Welcome to our channel. Okay guys, we're gonna be doing the installation for our carbon fiber seat heaters. It comes in a pair. You can buy this at leathertech.com or emupholsterytechnology.com. Now you're gonna have your switch, which is the drilling section of the panel, and this is a Dodge Ram, guys. We are working on a 2019 Dodge Ram, so this is the setup for the seat. Right here there is a metal bracket, so we kind of assess where it is so we don't touch it. And this is also clearance, so in this angle we can drill our hole for the switch, which is this. And this is a 3/4, so we just go with the drill. So once we have our hole, we get our switch through it. Our system comes with a dual stage relay. We have two settings, low and high. The plug, so when you remove the seat, you just unplug it. Many systems doesn't have this feature. You have to cut the wire. Obviously the fuse that you have to hardwire to an accessory line is strong enough, or you have to add a relay to a power line that is constant. You just have to find a weak line for the accessory so you can activate the relay. We can explain all that in a different video, but for now we are going to proceed to show you the installation of the switch. And now these pads are basically logic, so you just put one on top of the cushion and another one, oops, on the lean back. So they self-adhesive, so you don't have to do much, and you cut the excess. I'm gonna demonstrate in a moment how it's done. Let's do that now, so we don't have to make another chapter of this. It's gonna be real simple, real quick. So because we already dismantled all this, we were working on it on a previous video. So you have the switch. I'm gonna put this aside. Now, one thing that I like to do when I install this is to add an extra layer of adhesive, and we're gonna use the Super 77 by 3M. We center it from the back. And then we can peel the adhesive. If you have questions about this process or any other inquiry or any other question related to the upholstery, just put it on the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Now guys, this is the excess, and because it's too small, we don't want to go all the way to the front. Another way to do it was put it in the front, lay it to the back, but we don't want to make this complicated, so this is good enough. We're gonna sink it slightly here, and we're gonna make a line so we can cut it. And that was it, guys. You can dispose of this. It's ready for trimming. The same process goes to the lean back. It's not different, it's identical. It's just that the wire is gonna be hanging in the other side. And that's basically the whole installation of the heater element. We can proceed to do the trimming. Every car is gonna be different when it comes to the trimming. I just demonstrated the heating element setup on the pod in this 2019 Dodge. Some cars are gonna have one line right here, so then we have to put some holes. That will be for a different video. This is the simple installation for this truck. Like and subscribe, and again, you can get our leather kits at LeatherTech or directly EM Upholstery Technology. We have also cooling and heating for those that wants to enhance the driving experience and don't have any issue with the weather conditions, and of course the leather kits. Okay guys, now you have your covers back on, you put all the upholstery back, and now you have the two ends for the heater plugs right here, and you have a third one for the switch in this location. Now you have this harness which contains the relay. That's the one you want to install. This one, guys, is the one that goes into the vehicle, and this plug goes here, so it's the detachable section of the seat. Okay. And this one is as simple as like this. We're gonna put the main switch, and we have our two connectors here. And that was it, guys. All we have to do is, in the case of this relay, it comes with a small tab, a metal tab. This is our fuse kit. Other heaters might be similar. There is some that not even have a relay. So in this case, we're gonna bolt this relay here in this location, and we're just gonna hold all this under the seat and leave our plug available for connection. And that was the wiring, guys, so it's not that complicated. Very simple process for the heaters. If you have questions, put it in the comments. I will be more than happy to help you.